What up, guys? So I'm just gonna give you guys a quick update because I just got off work and I'm super tired. So yeah, keep that in mind. I'm at $19,415 right now. I've gained $1,204, and earned dividends is $96. This morning I did buy. I put in $50 into Meta around the 157, 167 area. And then I'm still dollar cost averaging. I do see it probably dropping more to the 140, 130 area, so I'll add more there. And then I did buy some T row. That's a dividend pair right there. Put in $30 around 118. And I do have whole shares of these companies, by the way. So yeah, just to give you guys heads up, Meta, I think I have around two shares, and then T Row, I think I have like three shares. And then I did buy Shopify around $32. I added $50 worth of it, and then I bought some Walmart. Added $30. I'm not too sure what price I got in on that. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this week. That I the companies that I bought dollar cost average into. I'm still adding $300 every week right now. Yeah, not buying much, not adding more money, buying power because the market's been going up. So yeah, just that's pretty much it as far as my buys. And then if you guys want to see more, be sure to subscribe and leave a like and leave a comment if you have any questions.